आपकी मातृभाषा अंग्रेजी पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा हमारे ही देश में घसी जाती है। और आपको शायद ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि अंग्रेजी के ज्यादातर शब्द संस्कृत से लिए गए हैं। संस्कृत का शब्द मात्र अंग्रेजी में मदर बना, भ्रातृ बना ब्रदर, ज्यामिति बनी ज्योमेट्री और त्रिकोणमिति बनी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री।
If anyone asks me who the most patriotic person in our country is, I know my answer, Bhavish Agarwal. The man who brought revolutionary technology that took zero inspiration from anyone, such as Ola Cabs, Ola Scooters, Kruthrum, which is dubbed as India's own AI, and many more products. Uber, Ather, ChatGPT, who? Alright, not everyone has to make something new. I know, but we also don't have to say this when you have recreated certain concepts yourself. Now, let's not get into nitpicking. Bhavish has made valuable contributions to the Indian ecosystem and has been on an AI role since last year's Kruthrum AI chatbot launch, which by the way was launched in huge fervor, if you remember. But ever since that, there's been nothing on the chatbot, barring a few updates here and there. But hey, Bhavish has not been idle. Bhavish has been a busy Indian. Not that Indian, but like a true Indian pushing the Indian counterpart products for all the famous big tech products. Name it and it's there. Kruthrum Cloud, Kruthrum AI chips, Kruthrum Maps. Oh wait, did I say Maps? I'm sure you've been following the latest news around Ola Maps, where he made a public announcement of Ola not using Google Maps anymore and instead relying on Ola Maps. This led to Google Maps reducing its price on its Maps API, which then led to Bhavish giving more offers for better adoption. He offered incentives in the form of free Ola Maps API access for Indian developers, in addition to 1-year free subscription and many other things. He's even working on a simulation world, the digital twin kind of setup. Wow, can't wait to see that. The person has been capitalizing anything that has been recently flopping in the West to push his product, which is not bad, obviously. It's a good thing to push Indian products. He even said that we need to grow beyond just being the AI use capital of the world. Quite a wise thing to say, considering how AI development has become a race between nations now. So alright, all that is fine. But it's just that the approach he has taken to put across the Indian point is kind of strange. It almost looked like he needed a trigger from the big tech companies to boycott them and embrace Indianness. When ChatGPT gave a response with Bhavish being referred to certain pronouns, he highlighted how pronoun illness from the West should be controlled. Okay, fair enough, his opinion. But then he goes on to use that as a reason to shift completely from Microsoft Cloud to their in-house Kruthrum Cloud, and even asked Indian developers to follow the same. The Swadesh vibes, people.
तेरे को बराबर होता नहीं क्या बोलने को? चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
As if this wasn't enough, he even shared his 2 cents about the recent Microsoft and CrowdStrike outage, alluding at how dependencies on corporations outside the country can be detrimental. Well, he's not completely wrong, but let's just calm down and try to find a collaborative route to sort the divide, perhaps? What say, Bhavish? If you're watching this, let's catch up and collaborate. Our Indian audience has a lot of questions. Until then, Jai Hind. Well, thank you for watching my reaction video. I'm Vandana Nair, your AI roaster. Think AI, think AIM.